Hello children, now 5th class mathematics 12th chapter time part 4. So now exercise problems. So in previous class 2 we are learning exercise problems, first and second weeks only. Exercise problems. So till 4th bit will be completed. Yes or no children? Till 4th will be completed. Do you remember that? So that first bit to dates given, write in words. So on second bit, they are given words, so we are writing dates. So on that bit some dates will given, that dates are possible or not, we are checking, yes or no. So now fifth one children, Farhana purchased some medicines on 26/2012. The medicine should be consumed within 3 years of manufacture. Farhana, see here children, on page number 113. Page number 113, open it all of you. So now take out your textbook, page number 113, open it. That exercise problems, fifth one. Okay. Farhana purchased some medicines on 20 day 6th month 2012. The medicine should be consumed within 3 years of manufacture. The date of manufacture on the medicine pack was 31/12/2009. So whether the medicine purchased were valid or not. So Farhana purchases some medicines only. That medicines are valid or not. So we are checking now. Okay. So there in many thing we are purchasing means some what will given manufacturing date, yes or no, expiring date given, some things to what will given, so some years and some months only having, like that. Okay, so write this question first of all in your notebook. To write this question, I am not writing the question, I am saying simply problem solution only. Okay, so write first of all this question. See here, now we are discussing problem. Write all of you children. Okay. So which date to medicine purchased? So fifth one solution. Fifth one solution. Solution. The date of manufacture, medicine purchased. So the date of medicine purchased. Which date to purchase it? Purchased. Which date? 26/2012. 26/2012 date to she purchased it. So the date of manufacture. The date of manufacture on the medicine pack manufacture date. Date of manufacture on the medicine pack. So on which date to manufacture? Which date to manufacture, children? (31 12) was 31/12. So in which year? 2009 year. 2009 year. 2009. So write all of you. Total completed years. So how many years will be completed? So 2009 to so 31/12/2009 to 26/2012. So how many years will be completed? 2 years. Actually 31/12/2009 to 31/12/2010. 1 year. 31/12/2011. 1 year. So here 26/2012. So 12th month to 6th month only, not 12 month here. 6th month. 26/2012. So here 6 months only. 6 months. So total how many years will be completed? Therefore 2 years 6 months completed. But the medicine completed. How much did given? So completed this. Upon and upon, right? So write first this. So in this problem only, I am writing 2 steps only. Don't confuse children. This 2 steps complete after this is hard step only. 5th problem too. So the 4th step. The medicine packet. The medicine packet said that the medicine packet said should be consumed. So consumed by how many years? Within 3 years. How many years? Within 3 years of manufacture. Within 3 years of manufacture. Years of manufacture. Years of manufacture. So here the medicine purchased or not? The medicine is valid or not? Yes, the medicine. Here. Yes. And steps numbers only, right children? Not question number. This is steps number only. Yes. The medicines purchased valid. Write this one. The medicine purchased very valid. Completed? So now next one, sixth one. In the following table, timings of trains. Departures of various places from Hyderabad is given in 24-hour clock. Try to write them in the 12-hour clock. So they are given 24-hour clock time only given. So you will convert into 12 hours clock. So write first please. Okay, completed. See now, sixth one. So question in your textbook to having children, question you will write answer. First 24 hours clock and 12 hours clock. Difference you know no children. So on page number 109. So prepare for page number 109. See. AM, PM given only. So I will show you this answer. So outside AM, PM, this is 24-hour clock. So it is 12 hours clock, this is 24 hours clock. See, I will show you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here. So 0, 0, 1. Sorry, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in 2 clocks to hours time also same, 24 hours time also same, 12 hours clock also same here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So next 12 after in 12 hours clock to 1 only will come. But in 24 hours clock 30 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See there. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You also draw this line, children, clearly. 21, 22, 23, 24 hours clock. So open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is upside 12 hours clock, downward 24 hours clock. So this is the hours clock. Hour clock. So here, so in this box 2, timetable given. Timetable. Train 24 hours. Train 24 hours. 24-hour clock. 12-hour clock. 12-hour clock. 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. So first one, Hyderabad to Adilabad. Hyderabad to Adilabad. Adilabad. Second one, Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Next third one, Hyderabad to Tirupati. Hyderabad to Tirupati. Fourth one, Hyderabad to Warangal. Hyderabad to Warangal. Hyderabad to Delhi. Hyderabad to Delhi. Hyderabad to Chennai. Hyderabad to Chennai. ఇక్కడ టైం ఇచ్చారు చూడండి. 24 hours clock to 21 hours. See, in 24 hours clock to 21 hours. So it means 21 hours. Here 70, 30, third one 19, 35, fourth one 16, 45, 6:15, 11, 45, 20. See here. So 21 hours clock. So 21 hours clock to 24 hours clock, 21. So in 12 hours clock to 21 means 9. So second one, Hyderabad to Vijayawada, 17 hours 30 minutes to have 17. See here, 5 hours 30 minutes. Next one 19:35. 19, where it is? here. It means 7. 7:35. 16:45. 16. 4:45. 6:15. 6 only. 6:15. 11:15. 11. So till 12 only same, but 12 after only will be changed. Okay, children, write this. So are you understand? Difference 12 hours clock and 24 hours clock to difference. Okay? Okay, children, bye, I love you. Okay, children.